Thanks for checking out this video. Hello everyone, this is Matinik and welcome to another unboxing, setup, demo and review video. Today I have the Herdio 6.5 indoor and outdoor speakers model HOS 601 BT2. It is an 800 watts weatherproof speakers. Disclaimer, this was provided to me by Herdio to make unboxing, setup, demo video. I will also give my thoughts and unbiased review, so stay tuned. It comes with two pairs of 16-foot speaker wires, two pairs of passive speakers, the amplifier box model BTx2, the power adapter, and the manuals. We will need to use a flat, small screwdriver to install the speaker wires. First, loosen the screws on the speaker terminals. Then insert the red wire to the positive terminal and the black wire to the negative terminal. Repeat the same steps on the second channel. Please be sure to secure the speaker wires to prevent short circuits. Connecting the wire to the speakers, simply connect the red wire to the red positive terminal and the black wire to the black negative terminal.
Bluetooth mode.
Pairing the Bluetooth is simple and easy. Just go to your phone's Bluetooth settings, select HOS 601, and there's no pin required.
Connected.
Here's the quick sound sample. Here here is where I provide my unbiased review and my thoughts and opinion of this speaker system. The speakers are well constructed and it is waterproof, which is perfect for outdoor use. It is a passive type two-way full-range stereo speakers with one PAI dome tweeter, which I think is better. Since it is a full-range speakers, as expected, it has a good sound quality. I am impressed how these speakers perform, and I can't believe how the tiny small amplifier box able to drive these four speakers and how loud it can be. The speaker and amplifier setup and installations are simple and easy. A small flathead screwdriver is required as well as basic wiring skills. The Herdio BTx2 amplifier box uses 5.0 technology and pairing is easy. It supports TWS connection, which means it can connect to another set of speakers with another Herdio amp box. The BTx2 amplifier box supports USB-A for playing MP3 songs. It has auxiliary 3.5mm audio port to connect to a media device, and it has a dynamic microphone input port. The only complaint that I have is when you turn on the amplifier. It has a loud voice prompt,
Line in mode, speaker mode, Bluetooth mode,
and there's no way to lower it down. Also, the amplifier box is made of plastic, and for a long duration of usage, it gets warm. It would be better if the chassis is made of aluminum to help the heat dissipation. Overall, I think this is a great speaker for the price, and if you are interested with the speakers, you may also get a 10% off using my code ENTER-MATTENIC at checkout, and Herdio has a US warehouse, so shipping is free and fast. I hope this video is helpful, and if so, please like and share this video. Should you have a questions or comment about this speaker system, please leave me a message below, and thanks for watching. God bless, and Mattenik signing off.